Welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. It's been a long day. It's good for you guys to see these products in person before you put them on your truck, or in video, I should say. So that's what we're doing here. Dang, I cut myself from that head. Yeah, that thing's heavy. Probably should have worn some gloves. Anyways, right here in front of me, we have two versions of a 3rd gen head. This one's O-ring, this one's fire ring. These are from Powerstroke products. I know that's kind of funny, but you know what? Powerstroke products is just a brand name. And when you're looking for a quality product to upgrade your engine, whether it be heads, cam, lifters, push rods, gaskets, or studs, we've got the goods for you. Powerstroke products has come out with some amazing products lately to really change the game, I'll say, when it comes to the quality that you can expect to receive in your package on your front porch, ready to go in your truck. So both of these right here they're very similar. They're the same head. Like the bare casting is the same head, same valve springs, but the difference is O-ring versus fire ring. A couple of little points about these. What's really cool about the 3rd gen is when you use this, you use a Powerstroke products head gasket, you don't have to worry about this not sealing properly. Okay, that's a big deal. These are designed to work to where you don't have to worry about anything on the block side to ensure that that's going to seal properly. If you're looking to make some power, this bad boy or this bad boy is going to hold it. Realistically, what I recommend, the studying I've done and the testing I've done and the learning that I've done, I recommend up to about 1,000 horsepower. Really, honestly, on the O-ring, it's going to hold it just fine. 800 to 1,000, you're going to be just fine. So say your original build was going to be 800. Well, you get 800 and you're like, man, I really want to go to 1,000. And you put this head on to start with, you're good to go. This guy's going to hold it, okay? Now, if you know you're trying to shoot for 1,000 more, I recommend going with the fire ring. These are designed to where you do not have to cut a groove in the block, okay? So you don't have to mess with that side of it. It's all designed to be all encompassed with the head. Same thing on this side. They are 120-pound valve springs, so they're ready to go, ready to make some power. Make sure you don't float any valves. Make sure that when you're doing those rowdy burnouts or running down the track or just towing heavy, which, you know, these were originally built to do that. We've made them do others. Whatever you're trying to do, they've got the valve springs ready to go, the valves ready to go. The castings are 100% brand new, higher nickel content to prevent cracking. All a win-win all the way around. So if you're doing a build on your 3rd gen Ram and you're looking to upgrade the head, I highly suggest you look at this Powerstroke products head. Both of these are going to be phenomenal. They're going to do a wonderful job of what you're trying to do. High horsepower, tow pig to medium horsepower is the best way to put this, okay? So shooting for high horsepower, go with the firing. When you order the firing kit, it comes with the firing gasket that you need right here. These fire rings right here go inside the grooves right here. You drop her down and good to go. No issues. When you order this guy and use the Powerstroke products head gasket kit with it, you won't have to worry about these sealing properly because they're already designed to work hand in hand together. So whether you're looking to tow or race, we've got the head for you. So like I stated, these heads are higher nickel content to help prevent cracking. They also are 80,000 thicker in the coolant passages to ensure that you're not going to have a coolant passage crack when you're towing heavy up that mountain or getting rowdy at the track, doing a burnout in the burnout pit. Whichever one you're doing, these heads are going to stand up to that. They're going to help you ensure that you're not going to be hurting that truck when you're getting rowdy with it. Give us a call with any questions. Check them out on the website, blessedperformance.com. Really appreciate your support. Without you guys, we couldn't do this really fun stuff that we get to do. We get to build power. We get to see a lot of really cool products. And that's all because of the support of our customers and those that watch our YouTube channel, those that call in. We really appreciate that. 1-800-577-2698. blessedperformance.com, of course. Check out YouTube. Well, you're already on YouTube. Duh. Anyways, check out the Instagram, the TikTok, the Facebook, the X. I think that's what it's called now. And then Threads, I think we got that as well. Yep, we got a lot of them. So once again, thanks for all the support. Give us a call when you're ready to build that engine. We got the products for you.